Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Iqra bismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq. Khalaqal insana min 'alaq. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. Allazi 'allama bil qalam. 'Allamal insana ma lam ya'lam. Kalla innal insana layatgha ar-ra'ahu istaghna. Inna ila rabbika ar-ruj'a. Ara'aital ladzi yanha 'abdan idza shalla. Ara'aita in kana 'alal huda aw amara bit taqwa. Ara'aita in kazzaba wa tawalla. Alam ya'lam bi anna Allaha yara. Kalla la illam yantahi lanasfa'an bin nasiyah. Nasiyatin kadhibatin khati'ah. Falyad'u nadiyah. Sanad'u zabaniyah. Kalla la tuti'hu wasjud waqtarib. Sadaqallahul azim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Read in the name of your Lord, who has created man from a cloth. Read, and your Lord is the most generous, who has stopped the writing by the pen. He stopped man that which he knew not. Nay, verily man does transgress all bounds, because he considers himself self-sufficient. Surely unto your Lord is the return. Have you seen him who prevents a slave when he prays? Tell me, if he is on the guidance of Allah or enjoins pity? Tell me, if he denies the truth and turns away? Knows he not that Allah does see? Nay, if he kisses not, we will catch him by the forelock, a lying, sinful forelock. Then let him call upon his council of helpers. We will call the guards of hell to deal with him. Nay, do not obey him. Fall prostrate and draw near to Allah. Allah is right with all his word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.